welcome to You Are Unique Yoga. I am Marjorie. Today we're going to learn the first yoga pose in our 84 asanas on this channel. The first pose we will learn is Sukasana. So if you don't have your mat or anything, get your mat and you will need 2 blocks to get started. And now here we go. First of all, I want you to sit forward. Straight out. This will just give you a side of how it is to be on the side. When you sit, you want to be sitting up straight up and not hunched over. Shoulders down. Be straight up and shoulders down. Now the benefits of Sukasana is that it brings calmness and it also brings a balance to you. And it also will help in meditation whenever you do a meditation class. You need to even hold your meditation classes for a long time by sitting. So I'm going to swing over to the front. I'm going to sit straight up. No slouching, shoulders back with these. Now you will notice when you're sitting this way, you will feel tension all in the back of the spine, but that's how it is when you're beginning sitting up straight up. You will find that when you do different movements through the Sukasana, it will ease up on your pelvis and on your hips. So we're going to take our left foot and put it under our left thigh. Now you will notice that if you cannot get both of them together, you may end up sitting like this, which is fine. This is why you have your blocks. You will take your block and you want to put your block like pretty much on the corner end between the tip end of your thigh and your knee, and that will help support that side. And you also do it on the other side. So that will help you sit this way. Now if you feel you need to do it a different way, you will notice that when you turn the block on the other side, legs go lower and your hips will widen open. So that means your hips are coming from here, and also your pelvic is moving forward, which is what you want. When it goes down to the outside, which is your flatter end, you will notice that your legs are coming further down. That means your hip joints are opening up. And you're tilting over. That's the way you really want to sit down. You don't want to sit with a slouch going over. You want to sit straight up, as you notice, and you will feel even more of your sit bones. It's what you want to feel. You will feel those bones right at the end of your thigh there, and you're wondering, what are those? Those are your sit bones. Some of us may not realize we're sitting on our sit bones, but when you sit this way, you are sitting on them. And it's nice that when you can feel them, because when you do feel them, you know that you're sitting correctly. And if you don't need the blocks, you can remove the blocks. And what will happen, your hips will open even further. And you may even find that your feet are widening even open. Now, you do not press your legs down. That is a no. You do not do that. You let your hips naturally open up on its own, and your pelvic will forward over. And this will allow you to be in a meditation pose for a long length of time, from at least 15 to 10 to 30 minutes of sitting this way. Now, not everybody is going to be able to get to this point, but with the practice of doing Sukasana every day when you do your meditations or whenever you're doing a yoga class, you will find that your hips are going to open up more and more. It will take time to get there, but you will get there. Open up more and more. And you will find that you will be able to sit in this position for a long length of time. Now, if your feet does not heal like I do, it's fine. You also can have your feet go under notice how I moved and I shift because I shift over. That means my pelvic shift forward, which gave me a great ease on sitting this way. So I can sit this way for a while. And you will be able to sit this way for a while as well. And you can put your hands in neutral form, and you are ready to do your meditation or even to just sit. Now, when you're ready to come out of Sukasana, you just take your left foot here, and you take it to the front, just shake, put your feet from side to side if you want, which is a very good exercise. You can flip your feet down, up, and go back to easy pose again if you like. Hope you like and subscribe. See you